Kick off your student journey in style at the Tramshed Preston, your new home sweet home. Located in the heart of the city, oozing modernity and style, the property offers ensuite and studio apartments, where each room features a comfy small double bed, a spacious work area, an ensuite shower room, and plenty of storage. On weekends, immerse yourself in the gorgeous landscape gardens and find your focus in the dedicated study area, perfect for both concentration and socializing. Need to break a sweat? Hit the fully equipped gym with your friends, all just steps away for ultimate convenience. Talking about location, the Tramshed is situated perfectly, close to University of Central Lancashire and Preston College. When hunger strikes or you're in the mood for drinks, Wetherspoons is a mere 1-minute walk away, alongside Turtle Bay Preston, Level, and many other popular club venues to contribute to your night out on the town. Plus, Preston train station is just an 8-minute stroll from the Tramshed, so you won't have to worry about commute. Score your winning stay with the Tramshed Preston Student Accommodation. Head over at amberstudent.com and book your stay today.